Abusalaya Maurice Ampaw ede assembly ato Otumfuo ye opemso na na said to the second asantema nyina wura or assembly ato na o kire mu se efa sema his excellency Don Mahama e kan se Otumfuo eba obema na ko solve Bawku problem no Maurice Ampaw e kire mu se mana na nturu na nsi Bawku ho no na we no eye fidie na NDC esum no ayi Penyah block media mesro se ni die mo obe like video na da obo subscribe to this. Now by click the notification icon of latest update. Time by the there mama e comment section. Make sure so baswa. No share video ama unia so enya bi ahwe. It concerning the issue of Bawku there, my bro videos back to back actually match the intent to kwana e so. So on video now. O check me proof abenya many videos to watch concerning the issue of Bawku. It's my ya we now. E turu say about 3 days ago video post here na say e Bawku police station or hono mo twaja atumo.
Bawku for Omashi police line. I swear. This is where the police are staying in Bawku. They burn it. They burn the police. The police. This embarrass. This is Bawku. This is happening here in Bawku. They are burning the police barracks. Yes. They are burning the police barracks. Oh, chebar no.
Ama even Mahama ayarega ni fie e ho Bawku o mo twaja tuma ga do Mahama ayarega o mo threaten say Bawku o mo ni ntru na nsi ho da no Mahama ayarega nim no otu na nsi Bawku a asem aha e be fa ne funu we send a strong warning to him concerning this whole issue of Bawku. I say IGP Ekoyananka oko pass mji but okoye no as ma kan hold because I share youth there before
of the Republic of Ghana. I bring you greetings from the Interior Minister. I bring you greetings from Defense Minister and the greetings from the majority leader in Parliament, who is a son of this area. I had a lot of consultation with them before coming here. We are here, police, military, and other security services here to provide security to Bawku. Some of us, we have been here in the years past. We know Bawku. Bawku is an area where every security officer would like to come and work here before finally he goes on retirement. Today, some of us who saw that we are not happy with what it is today. It is our prayer the Almighty God will bring the same glory of Bawku back. I've come here to come and work together with you and also to ensure that our men that we bring here, they work according to the mandate. I've seen a lot of things that have been written on the placards, and we are going to work towards it. We are going to make sure that your concerns, as you have shown on your placards, we are going to work according to it. We want everything that is worrying the people in this area about we the security over here, let us know. Just put your grievances to the overlord and they will receive it. And we will make sure that we will correct those things urgently. Just forgive us. We have provided security in many other countries. Our duty is to be neutral. And to the best of we, the leaders in Accra,
they even heated at him. Emma even to the point almost to the car in the two.
What can you now?
Yes, sir. As someone obeying the police, I call Oma intimidated the Bibiako. Oma intimate Emma Emono. Bawku for Nankasa Beka say they need Otumfuo. They don't need any politician. Politician be a free uncle. They only need Otumfuo.
Each and every citizen of Ghana, Bawku should lay down on his gun down, peaceful, and we'll look at and we should listen to Otumfuo or say to what he will bring it out. Politicians should go out from these issues. In fact, Otumfuo or say to we have the belief on him. When he come and declare it is for Team A, we are going to follow for Team A. When he come and declare it is Team B, we are going to follow for Team B. But gun cannot solve problems. Yes. Gun cannot solve problems. And we want to ensure and tell the whole nation that we can use gun, but we respect our elders. We have opportunity to sit with our elders. That a child who's washing his hands clean, sit and eat with the elders. Exactly. So we are telling the nation that what they are doing, it isn't that we cannot do it. We can do it 100% of more than that. Thank you very much. And
to come and make peace over there. Emoso Anna, His Excellency John Mahama, so Edeba told us, I Bawku and the Ojidi say Otumfuo or Contum or Befia, Otumfuo ever say or the ever tree or Bawku.
Rather than retrogress it. Let me reiterate that we will take all allegations of crime seriously and trigger our security service investigative machinery to go after criminals no matter who they are. But let me state emphatically also that we do not have the resources and time to engage in any game of smoke and mirrors. The Ghana Armed Forces is engaged in several theaters to maintain peace and security in our nation. One major flashpoint continues to be the Bawku area. Only 2 days ago, an incident in a marketplace triggered an unfortunate loss of lives and criminal vandalism of property. I wish to emphasize that nobody gains from this situation of conflict and insecurity. We have triggered the Otumfuo mediation process, which saw all stakeholders participate in discussions in Kumasi on a roadmap towards peace. I'm assured by the Asantehene that the process will resume next week when he returns from his brief visit abroad. Congratulations to our armed forces for the sacrifices you have made, even at the peril of your lives, to protect life and property in the Bawku conflict area. We need the cooperation of all to restore peace in Bawku and its environs. And I entreat all sides to embrace peace as we dialogue to resolve this age-old dispute. The distinguished guest plans.
Emma even His Excellency Ebeka Kramu is a free minder or your NDC blogger crano. Esa Bekan Simkwana Mementiase Papa.
Entokwa Esi Bawku. Bawku is part of the northern regions. Tineti ha. ye can the whole northern regions ibomua eso chen Asanteman. In fact, northern region kwa the capital eye Tamale no eso chen Ashanti region. Oko northern regions there are so many chiefs also there esroho in the northern regions. And the entokwa esiboko. Northern regions and him for 8 minutes na say yes solve yankasa your problem. They are calling on Otumfuo. Now so be say entokwa nsi Asante memu Emma Asantini entwe phone enka say we are calling on Eye Yana to bring peace to the Ashanti region. Ebi nsi da. Now so mo doors so chen Asantefo. Mo region no eso chen Asanteman. More hemfo enso northern regions so entokwasi you are calling on Otumfuo to bring peace to you. Na sabi mu wie na se Asantini a wa jimi efre mo se mo ye entafo moa mo se mo ntibi da mo fa re mo ho.
What I say president na wudi na chi no ono no kura se Otumfuo make sure say obeso but free man on CNDC blogger no so be can say bi kura na ase me nim the free mind e pa kire but said it, you know, the areas what it is. Now, as some says, I can't say, you know, this will tune from Kwan with my call. I could make it peace. I will be corner. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw, read no see there. Me a prophet too. Me a deal for me who are dear.
Me no, I'm anointed. Me must not want me so no. Must not me looks not soon. Me German kasa. Muntie.
Me who are didn't me hurt a crema. Open so nana. Any day ma. Senka obetie me na wankwa enka bebo bi say ade we na ye dia bedo no eye fidie na endi se fo na sumo entina na eni de me besere wada entu na nsi ho
to the say the military ko ho anye yie IGP ko ho they are stoning no mesre era na Bawku pe Otumfuo na no say tutu pia na ukasa yetie na yemu bi wa ye respect wo what did me say nana Otumfuo memfa ho kofrafra boku crisis no memma NDC for nya wojo because omote we kabitela empa santifo asem empe na watem NDC epitene as if omo so omo to be solve mo crisis na the political mess omo create war insecurity be create abono na memfa wanyo nyam kotwa so na no say so too Asante is under siege. Asante come under attack. Asante is being threatened. Asante is being insulted. Asante is being weakened by state-sponsored propaganda and insult against your government. And then tell us story about it. There is an agenda. And this is from Asante for us and them. Now, the work of Okona wa Kevin tell about so guso. Chidi Jonas so guso. I say who cry na wakọ wesi na de no. Minia Otumfuo. Na no mu adwuma na wo so do so. Transante memu. Na dwuma ma ho wate. Na ye do. Ye pe wasem ye bu. Omo mo peso mo bu Asante man ebo Otumfuo no. Omo no manya crisis no bokufo no. Muma NDC. Some no mu wini boku. MPP nya 0. Enti munya na that constituency no any that bokuno is for them. Let them go and solve their own problem. Na munyo Otumfuo fimu. Because Otumfuo was so many issues to deal with. He has so many developmental issues on solve we. Enti no our security now is in a mess. And then you muso jeni a police ni and national security has come under serious manipulations and then vindictiveness na take place obi town na we use national security na ya call operation and refer na and then rule of law ni adwuma and then rule of insults, rule of intimidation, rule of propaganda, rule of gandam and rule of oppression and a coso. It is security no abadao na nyame esi obi hinia
Does God create insecurity? No. So nyame si obi hinia or the tenten in the juma. Let the one who is governed by the Spirit of God govern in peace and in justice. No maya proper ye nimu. O maya ya sorry in ya forso. Near so pressy ebimubu against another. Nyame su do nye yimu. The ones you decide to say, man ya buy na aba. Enter the NDC phone the NPP for coming domo. Ya buy na aba. NDC phone your appointed. Now omon KDC phone no omon appointment. Ya buy na aba. Enter the acquit and discharge. Ya enter no person kwai. Ya withdraw cases against ya Crawford na ebimu de. Ya for mon ko oral. Na ya persecute omo. Na say na me entertain. It's a just God. Wrong is a wrong. Nyame enye yimu. God does not discriminate. It has suffered na mu memu led by Duncan Williams no mune mo story ya moko to nyum na moko ye say na different meet the press be the clergy no. Is that how your God governs? Today you are all quiet because you are cashed out. And you don't care about the other Ghanaian. It's over. Rule of law is softened. The judiciary is not safe. There's a sense of insecurity around the judiciary as of now. We are just gonna uti case so now command judgment because who command judgment here ya no more will say hey okay and these MPP judges they say targeting insecurity and now every sector of our economy is suffering. If energy and then to be talking away lights boy iodine na iodine also uto and 2 days na 3 days na sa e first be two biom e te be do te be uto light 100 cedis 2 days na sa nipa no so pay ya he e bi mu di 300 Ghana e bi mu di 400 Ghana a month. You be call a situation whereby there will be power but you can't buy. Because power is becoming so expensive. Say, we be sumu not because light off. Unisika do be kotobi. And then a lot of people, they sumu not because light ni who. Light are very expensive commodity. If you tell me suno, there's a borehole so the boy dim at other person. The people start drinking dirty waters because we can't pay water bill. Ubano energy, we have crisis. And the government is not showing signs. Education, there's a say there, and then you call no more school no. The whole man no mundi omo. Gari na ya mamusa mankwalali ama lucky proper nutrition. And then nkwala no tiane and that's a whole and omo feed your mom from home. And koye Uba agrika and then yamunya boy drink banche untuminto brodia untuminto tomatoes untuminto jene untuminto enwo untuminto and no person ya eduanu person ya fufuo ni light soup na unkra 300 Ghana unka 400 Ghana untuminya fufuo ni light soup emu piu and no be eduane ofia 100 Ghana so 200 Ghana so 300 Ghana so it be a 400 Ghana 500 Ghana it be 1,000 Ghana depending on the food. Internet, a lot of people are buying from chop bars and the roadside, but it is still expensive. And the club war cost 7 cities and 7 cities a big bought 10 cities and then you buy 2 cities 3 cities 3 cities who the 2 bombuma and so. And then moko krano ye to moko and then ice water bibia but meanwhile no 2024 elections no mo say na adona e di hashipaba no my ebre en metu adeka and I ye hu no and na comedy yen and na any ye na munye hu bibia ye. You see, was a global so if you're a potato. I buy watch a brand and now do move back power 2016. I quite remember. Now to take over power now to say, can you make free education here and there. Who said there was? It's not by lady. You can see 3 months, 4 months. Now, even look at this is a year for me. Look at the issues at stake. This is a year for me. MC is a year for me. Look at the insecurity all over. And I'm a when I'm a bread, and I got them, I'm some petama, bright, BB bright, almost at them, pion bra, and I'll come up, Oklahoma, and there is chaos. God is not out of confusion. It a baby, there's confusion in that baby. But they are saying things are going to get worse. I'm telling you, look, me no, I'm anointed. Me must not warm so no. Must not me looks not soon. Me jama no kasa. Muntie. This platform no catch yourself. What the Ukoya Mama is the hope. I rather. No me be count no. The Bible said, no man can yodi ni paso. This government has nothing to offer than to rule for 4 years and leave.
So when in someone Maurice Ampaw abeka the threat of him so then I say to the second Kwakudia the second. Commercial. What is your view and what is your take on it? Can it be true? Said the Maurice Ampaw Ekan and I say no. I was Otumfuo call that or come make it as me because Bawku for no so ehia as me. Tirawajo mama comment section. I hype Penyah Block Media.